Bitcoin has just closed out its strongest week ever on the charts. Right now, the crypto market is looking incredibly bullish based on the latest price movements. Plus, we've seen a nice little surge from XRP as well. On July 6, XRP made a nice move, climbing from 220.21 up to 220.28, and today it's pushed even higher to hit 220.29. As I've mentioned before, we've had a buy signal on XRP since June 29, and we've been picking it up ever since. Since then, the price has been steadily trending upwards. Looking at the current indicators, the bullish momentum is still going strong. So yeah, this could still be a solid opportunity to grab more XRP. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is currently sitting at under $8,000. XPR is priced at 0.031, and we're also seeing a fresh buy signal for XPR. Solana is at $51,000, and Ethereum is holding around 2,548. Guys, we're seeing buy signals across the entire market right now. XRP is currently pushing up against the 2T or SLR resistance zone, a key level it needs to break. And according to the order books, once it clears 2T or SLRs, we could be looking at a move straight to 2T or 60s. And if XRP manages to break through that 2T or 60 level, we might be on the verge of a new all-time high coming in fast. We're also hearing from U.S. Treasury Secretary Bissett that Trump plans to reintroduce the April 2nd level tariffs on countries that haven't secured trade deals with the U.S., starting August 1st. In simpler terms, President Trump has once again pushed back the tariff activation, this time from July 9th to August 1st, which is a positive sign for the markets. These tariffs have been a bearish pressure point, so this extension is good news. For now, there's no unexpected event, dragging crypto prices down. Now check this out, guys. We've got a chart from Mr. Bull, and if the pattern plays out, XRP could be heading toward the 1.61A level next, launching from around 226 to 160. But right after that, the chart shows a sharp dip, a flash crash, potentially bringing the price all the way down to 0 to 164. So, also worth noting, David Schwartz mentioned 0 to 106 back on July 4. So the big question is, could XRP revisit the 0 to 160 range before we see that explosive God candle shoot to the upside? Ripple just announced a massive 700 million share buyback, and they're doing it at $75 per share. Meanwhile, the most recent secondary market prices on platforms like Hive were hovering around $74 to $75. So the fact that Ripple is buying back its own shares at more than double the market rate, that's a major signal. They're extremely confident about what's coming next. There's a lot brewing for both Ripple and XRP, and it's all pointing in a bullish direction. To wrap things up, we got a cryptic update from Mr. Pool showing 0 at 5722 marked as signal 0. And interestingly enough, White House economic advisor Hassett also just stated there's 0 chance of a recession. Another 0 connection popping up. Taking all of this into account, it really looks like XRP could be gearing up for a massive breakout. And on top of that, the higher time frames like the 2-day and 3-day charts are also flashing buy signals. So fingers crossed we see that big parabolic move soon. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.